Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our chapter William Finds a Party. What we have seen in the last class? We have seen Archie was in a hurry for making the arrangements of a party without bothering the arrival of his friends, right? Who were the friends of Archie? William, Ginger, Henry, and Douglas. Archie has appointed William to post the invitation cards for the party. But in the last part, we have seen William found that he forgot to post the invitation letters. Right? So today we are going to see how they managed the situation. So we shall go to the rest of the chapter. So let's begin the rest of the part. Let's ask the people now, suggested Henry. William examined the names on the envelopes. No, it's mostly my sister Ethel's friends and they are all at the tennis club. Then let's just go back and offer to eat up his food, said Ginger. No, William said, he must have a party. We ruined his old party, so we better get him a new one. Come on, let's find a party for Archie. Just then, 3 cars stopped on the road and 4 people got out of each. William's eyes gleamed. 12 people for Archie's party. The people seemed to be arguing over a map. So here William found the unposted letters in the pocket of his raincoat. Right, we have seen it in the last class. So he and his friends have decided to do something. They need to do something because Archie was making the arrangements for the party. Right? So they have to do something. They checked the names of the people in the unposted letters. Then William said that most of the names in the unposted letters are his sister Ethel's friends. And they are all at the tennis club. Then Ginger suggested that they will just go back and eat the food Archie has made to make him happy. Because they don't have another option. So he suggested like that. Ginger suggested that they will just go back and eat the food Archie has made. Because nobody is going to come for the party. They haven't got any invitation cards. Then William said that Archie must have a party because they have ruined his old party. So he said it is their duty to give him a good party. When the friends were making arguments about the party, a car stopped on the road and 4 people got out from each car. Then, then an idea struck in the mind of William that for Archie's party, the people are ready for Archie's party. When they saw the people go down from the car, an idea struck in the mind of William that these are the people for Archie's party. The people who go down from the cars, they seem to be arguing over a map. They were arguing about something. A man asked William, "Are we anywhere near Marley?" A woman said, "We want to buy some pictures from a famous art collection. Do you know the way to this place?" William was not listening. A shortcut across the field would take them to Archie's cottage in a few minutes. So he decided not to waste time in invitations and explanations. "Come this way," he said, climbing a fence. Hesitantly, the group followed. William flung open Archie's door. "Here they are, Archie." Archie came out grinning. "So good of you to come." Archie became the perfect host, offering food and drinks. He did not recognize his guests' faces, but he was not worried. His guests were slightly bewildered. they went into the studio. So, a man from the group asked William whether they are near Marley, and a woman from the group asked them about a famous art collection and its place. Then William guided them to Archie's house in a few minutes. He was searching for some people for the party, right? So William guided them to Archie's house in a few minutes. He decided not to waste time in invitations and explanations. When the group reached Archie's house, Archie gave them warm welcome with a smile on his face. He offered them food and drinks even though he did not recognize his guests' faces. But his guests were confused to see Archie because they are new to Archie, and they are seeing Archie for the first time. Same is the case with Archie also, but he didn't recognize at that time. Archie was in Archie was very happy at that time, so he couldn't recognize the face of his guests. The guests went into the studio to see the collection of pictures. Actually, why the guests came there? William guided them to Archie's house, and they are there to collect the pictures. Okay, now the next lines. I can't understand any of them. They don't seem to mean anything. They won't. They are modern art. Suddenly, to Archie's amazement, they gave him a check and left carrying his paintings. Standing at the gate, he saw Ethel and her friends, the rest of his party. He rushed to meet them. Come in, come in. This is very nice of you, Archie. But I thought you wouldn't come. But when you didn't answer my invitation, I knew you would. What are you talking about? We never got an invitation. I sent invitation last week. William posted them. William? Ethel groaned. Suddenly they heard cars outside. The former guest ran inside, apologizing and explaining. Can't think how mistake arose. Got lost again. Passed the real place by accident. These are the wrong kind of pictures. But why did you come here in the first place? Squeaked Archie, almost buried beneath his pictures. A boy, William directed us here. Everyone echoed William. So the guests recognized the pictures as modern art, and they gave him a check and left carrying his pictures. They left. Yes, they left carrying his pictures. And when they left, Ethel and his friends came out there. Archie became very happy to see them and received them also. Archie told them that as they haven't gave any reply to his invitation, he expected their arrival. Then Ethel told him that she hasn't received any invitation sent by him. When they were talking, the former guest ran inside the house, apologizing and explaining that they have made a mistake by receiving the wrong kind of pictures from Archie, and they returned the pictures to Archie himself. Then Archie inquired them about their arrival in his house before some time. He was quite surprised by their arrival, right? So he inquired them about their arrival in his house before some time. Then they told him that a boy named William directed them to his house. So what happened? So at last Archie comes to know about William's deed. Archie comes to know that William hasn't posted the invitations and it hasn't reached to his guests. That was the result of this confusion. Actually, Archie has given the invitation cards to William to post it. But William forgot to post the invitation cards. Okay, and he forgot to post the letters and it hasn't reached to his guests. That is why this confusion happened. In the last class, I have given some activities to do. I think you have done it. Now, you need to go through the rest of the meanings. In page number 61, you can see some word meanings. Hear from, to receive a reply from someone. Blank look, showing no emotion or interest. Gleamed, looked bright. And in page number 62, these are the words. Hesitantly, feeling unsure. Flung open, opened with a lot of force. Bewildered, confused. Former, earlier. Squeaked, spoke in a short, high voice. So that's the end of the chapter. And today also I'm going to give you some activity regarding the chapter. Open your page number 64. There in that page you can see in this section C you can see think and answer section. In that section you can see 3 questions. You need to answer 1 and 2. You need to answer for question number 1 and 2. What is the first question? Why do you think Archie was not worried even when he did not recognize any of the guests? Why do you think Archie was not worried? Archie was not at all worried, right? At that time, Archie was in a hurry-burry and Archie was not at all worried about his guest's face. Actually, he hasn't noticed his guest's face. Why do you think Archie was not worried even when he did not recognize any of the guests? You need to write down your own answer. You just think and write your own answer. Now the second question. Do you think that William was right? William was right. Why do you think so? What would you have done if you were in William's place? This is the second question. Do you think that what William did was right? He hasn't posted the letters, right? But he made the arrangements for Archie's party without disappointing him, right? So, do you think what William did was right? Why do you think so? If you are thinking like that, why do you think so? What would you have done if you were in William's place? And they are asking what you would have done if you were in William's place. So, you need to answer for these 2 questions. Make your own answers. Okay. So, go through the chapter again and again. And you need to do the activities also. We shall see in the next class. Thank you. Goodbye.